Hello and welcome to the Bigger Flip Show. My name is Michael Pinter, where I teach you how to start flipping houses, or if you're already doing it, how to grow your business. So this morning at 6:30 a.m., I got a total hip replacement on my right hip. Needed it, and it's amazing new advancements in technology where you can get the hip replacement in the morning and walk out the same day. And I'm walking right now without a walker, which they gave to me, and or a cane. And I think it's going to get better from here. So what this teaches about real estate investing is that there are amazing new advancements in technology when it comes to almost all marketing for real estate investing. First of all, advancements in technology and finding values for properties. Second of all, if you are dialing with your finger to cold call, you should be using a predictive dialing system. If you are texting with your finger, you should be using a texting software. These are things that make you much more efficient and help you. And just like I'm walking around and I'm going to be much better in a few days, I highly recommend that you look at the advancements in technology for your real estate investing business and use them, because it says I have a slow connection, because these things are going to make you so much more efficient. They are going to make everything better in your real estate investing. Thank you very, very much for watching.